If you're struggling with sleep, I've got a powerful natural remedy for you. Kefir, just half a cup before bed can make a real difference. Why kefir? It's similar to yogurt, but way better. Kefir contains 12 to 50 strains of microbes, while yogurt has only about 1 to 5. Plus, kefir has 5 times more good bacteria, and they actually survive stomach acid, unlike yogurt. It also contains friendly yeast, which works alongside bacteria to improve digestion and gut health. How does kefir improve sleep? Well, 90% of your serotonin, the feel-good hormone, comes from your gut microbes. And serotonin is essential because it converts into melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep. The more healthy microbes you have, the more serotonin your body produces, leading to better melatonin levels and ultimately better sleep. Kefir is also a great source of calcium, which is known to promote relaxation and deeper sleep. Kefir doesn't just help with sleep, it also aids digestion and reduces bloating, improves immunity, lowers blood sugar and blood pressure, reduces liver fat and allergies. How to make kefir at home? Just mix 1 tablespoon of kefir grains with 2 cups of milk, cover it with a cloth, and let it sit at room temp for 24 hours. That's it. You can reuse the grains over and over for a fresh batch daily. Give kefir a try and see the difference in your sleep. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more tips.